Cool. All right. Yeah. So let's just start and see how it goes. Thank you for all your effort in getting the internet set up working.
Yeah,
Um,
yeah.
tell tell me a bit about yourself and your background in coding and what you're trying to do. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, perfect. Yeah.
Um,
Tell me a bit about yourself and what you're building.
so my name is George Karani. Basically the founder of Front Forum Focus.
Cool.
So it's a tool that helps individuals measure impact or measure their contributions to a greener planet based on their daily activities. So how are we doing that? So we are mapping your daily activities to the sustainable development goals,
Uh huh.
and now from that we can be able to see like the impact of an individual towards like a better planet or a greener planet.
Cool. And you're doing this for with a mobile app or a web app, web platform?
For now it's just like a web platform, but I've thought about the mobile app, so we can migrate to that, or just
Yeah.
like build with something like React Native or something like that. Because some of the activities, let's say like walking, one can be able like to track walking on your phone. So you don't need like a laptop so that you can track something like walking. So some of the things like even like let's say online shopping, you like online shopping makes you have like a carbon footprint, right?
Yeah.
So these are like the activities that we are trying to see and see how you can, be more productive and also be more sustainable.
Cool. And I think you're using. Yeah. I mean, I would love to work together with you somehow on this. I think this is a really cool project. Um, you mentioned that you're using I think Next.js, right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah. Next.js and Clerk. And do you
yes.
have a
So
do you have
I've
a
also like implemented the Open AI API.
cool and
Do I
type
have
with
a?
that big script, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Cool. Do you have like a working prototype online?
Yes, it's not online. It's on localhost at the moment.
Okay.
So the one that is online. Okay, I can show you something.
Yeah,
Let's
that
hope
would be cool.
it's still um
Otherwise, you can show me the
online.
one on. You can also show me the one on localhost if that works.
Yes, I'll show you both because they have
Perfect.
something that I like to bring to one place, right? So let's see if this one will be working. So can I share my screen?
Yeah, you can use the present button at the bottom. Should work. And you can share your screen or you can share a window.
Yes, no.
Yep,
Yes.
I see it.
So here's the one I'm using Clerk for. So basically,
Cool. Do you like using Clerk?
um I don't know. At the end of the day, I'm trying to have one place, like one database where I can have all the things that
Yeah.
I can be able. So like I don't know. Maybe in the future I can be able like to pivot to something more custom made. I have also O, so I have I can work with that
Oh
and
yeah.
see.
Auth 0. Um,
Yes, yes,
yeah. I was previously using Clerk, but I think it will be just like you're saying. It's just a bit complicated for me to have a whole nother system storing the usernames and passwords. I think
yes,
for my next project, I'll put it all in one database.
yes. So here's like the version that is like basically is what is online. So with this actually the main idea for here is just like to align you. So I use this is the like OpenAI API here. So
Yeah.
like let's see if it still works. The key had some issues and now it's not working. But it takes some time. So like the idea here is just like one would be able like to connect or just ask a prompt um like you can see like this uh what's it called, like this question here, what SDGs can I impact, like you
Yeah.
say like what SDGs
Uh huh.
what SDGs can I you see I think there's an issue with the API, yeah. So I just have to put another API key. Can
Oh yeah.
I impact with, you say like with my CS degree, uh, you see coding skills and passion for nature, right? So with this, it would bring you like some projects, right?
Yeah.
So it will bring you some projects, and through those projects, one could develop something like a roadmap. And also, you could get to network with people who are interested in something that you're interested with at the same time, right?
Yeah.
Or you can also custom make your own projects that is ongoing with this button. So
And
let me show you.
yeah, please.
Yes.
No,
So
that's what
now
I
let
want.
me.
Yeah. Go ahead.
Um. So now there's this one that I want to. Now this one is the one that I want to migrate to, right? So
Oh, cool.
now here is the align my focus. I have I have I'm using convex for this, so I think this can work. But let's see. Okay, so let's start with the main idea with this one, right?
Mm-hmm.
So a use case for this is like actually this is like from feedback from somebody from build space, right? So they're online, they love online shopping, right? So he's like when I walk to work, will that offset my carbon footprint, right?
Uh-huh.
So you can see like obviously him is passionate about you know like reducing his carbon footprint in e-commerce, right?
Yeah.
So like this is now like just you can input something here and it will give you some alignment. So maybe it's just your online shopping you want to, you think that online shopping is something that you want to change, then you can input it here. Then you'll have like impact alignments like sunset views, zero waste lifestyle, green spaces, plant-based diet, renewable energy, you know, and also
Yeah.
like their daily activities. So like the daily activities will like show you like which industry like you're impacting. Energy, how much energy are you using to cook, transport, how much are you traveling, the food you're eating has also like a carbon footprint. community engagement, and advocacy. So, the first thing that, project tracking, I saw something that you had done and I was like really impressed
Oh,
actually.
really?
So, yes, so
What's
it
that?
was something, the project that you had done about analytics with OpenAI, right?
I don't remember. What was I doing?
It was in your video.
Okay.
Uh, it was something about analytics, but
Okay.
here now like now that's actually like now the idea that I'm trying to like
Uh-huh.
implement here, because we have data on the UN SDGs, right?
Mm-hmm.
So there's like that trend for like the progress. So if we kind of put OpenAI here, we can be able like now to like it will be like we can create that like kind of there's a calculation that goes on here, but we can be
Yeah.
able like now to um, predict. Maybe for one person it will be like a very small like impact, but now as a community, as the community grows, we can do also collective impact of the people who are using this tool.
I like
So
that a lot.
yes, so you can have like impact analysis for what you're doing, and also like the alignment that you're in. So if it's zero waste lifestyle, um you can be able to track like what you're working on, like your project, and also like global impact, how it is affecting like other people in the environment. So you'll be having this cool like metrics over here. So resources, we'll just add like something that these are resources that will be able like now you can be able like now to affirm and also get like world data on what is happening.
Hmm.
So
Yeah, that's so cool.
there's now what so let's go to impact. So this is now like something that is still on the works. So like here I just have like daily activities that one person can do, right? You can do a 1 hour walk. You can do a $1 donation. So
Uh-huh.
with each activity, okay, let's unselect this. So with each activity, it kind of tells you which
Oh,
SDG you're impacting. So if it's a 10-minute shower, you're impacting this SDG. So if you did 10-minute showers and you cycled, these are the things that you are impacting.
cool.
So so at the end of the day, these have different weights. Like
Yes.
the donations, the donations affect every SDG. So it's just kind of cool to know like the balance between what you're doing, and how now we can have like a history of what you've done, and kind of now see like your collectively how your living is. Also like another use case for this, everybody has their own carbon footprint. So if you're saying like this is like kind of a climate tech where we can say like everyone, we can see like we can track the footprint of everyone. We can be able now to see like how much impact also like how much the climate projects, how much impact they have when you compared them to like individuals kind of progress.
Cool. I
So
love this idea.
this will be done. There will be yes. So I think there's a lot of use cases for this, but it's just something small that I like. to have something working. The use case for this maybe now will be for like corporates who are doing like ESG reports, something like they can be able also like to track their own ESG kind of stuff and their sustainability. So I think there's one thing that is just final on this. I want to maybe launch. I don't know. There's a visualization that should be here. I don't know if I don't think I. So you can. So now the next thing that I want, it should be. I should have added it, but I see that it won't be. So you can just. Okay, let me show you now, like from the data. So like now from like a dev kind of problem when you see it, the data that like now when you go to the UN kind of database, this is the data availability. But let's see. Uh, okay, it didn't load.
Is this, what did you say? This is the UN website that you're loading?
Yes.
What's the website? Maybe I can go to it.
Um, Here,
Okay.
are you able to see it?
unstats.un.org. Yeah, it works for me for some reason, so I can share this one. This one?
Yes, yes. Um, your screen has not loaded on my side yet.
Oh, okay. I think I can actually change the settings of StreamYard for next time. Um, I can turn
Yes.
off H. I can turn off HD, so then it would probably be a lot better. I just forgot to turn it off
Yeah,
this
yeah.
time. That would be much
Yeah,
better.
I think next time I'll be having some good network, so that will be a bit sorted out.
Yeah, sure. I can see it from my end, and I'm also sharing it.
Yeah,
So
it's now loaded. It's now
okay.
loaded. I can see it.
Um, so they have an SDGs database, right?
Yes. So, but you see, like even this one is like not. Um. Okay. Try to go to reports.
Under reports,
Let's see the progress. Yes.
progress report, 2023 progress report.
For 2023. Yes.
Okay, a 43-page
So you
document.
can you can scroll down.
Yeah,
Um. Yes. So.
is it all
So
text?
there's a way that you can. You see on the. Let me guide you there. Go back to the website.
Okay,
Um. You see on the top bar,
Here.
go to the top. Uh, okay, let me. Yes, go to reports. Go to the reports 2023. Then you go to the SDG report 2023. The second after the blue one. Yes,
This
that
one.
one. Yes. Now you can go down, scroll down, scroll. Now you see the explore the report here. Uh,
Here.
above. Not there. Go up.
Here.
There
Oh,
above this. Yeah. So you can press on the first no poverty here.
promise
No
and fail.
poverty.
No poverty.
Yes.
Here.
Yeah. No poverty. So you can now this when you scroll down now, this is where you see this analytics. So like you see, like now here's where they've done their data visualization.
Right.
So like now this is just the yeah. You see like maybe if you do like one donation,
Yeah.
like maybe now from our platform we can be able like now to visualize how many people have been able like to be affected and also are not going to be like poor or something like that.
Yeah. Wow. Cool. What's the next?
So
Yeah, I
I
mean,
think
this is very
yes,
interesting. They could have a much easier to use website, so I hope our app will be easier to use than this.
yes. That's the thing I was saying that the next thing is like visualizing the data in a way that people can understand. You see, you
Yeah.
had to go through a lot of trouble finding the analysis. So like now even now like when you align your you align your like kind of intention, you can align your good intention. Everyone has maybe a good intention, like I want to donate, I want to do this to make this world a better place. So you can easily track like how that is affecting the people that are around you, and also like how that can you know um, be like more helpful to yourself in the way that you are living. So maybe in the future, I was thinking like maybe even we can have like a coin or something of a token where now like
Hmm.
maybe by doing this stuff you can be able like also to earn from your own actions, like the way they have like a token for working or something like that.
Hmm.
Yes.
Sure. Yeah. Cool. So, is this going to be your project for season 5?
Yes, this one is what I applied with.
What what kind of thing would you like to add next? So you said the visualization, right?
Yes.
Okay. And how do you think you'll add that to the to your current web platform that you have?
So they have like an API, right? They have an API for the SDGs. So most of this
Okay.
data is like public, and also there's like an API if you want like yes, like if you want the more recent data, there's an API. So with
Yeah.
that, maybe with the API now, like if we have the API now, we just make the visualizing graphs, and
Yeah.
now we figure out like how different alignments for different SDGs. So first we do the visualizations of what is happening now, then we can track like we can map like these activities to the visualizations.
Mm. Yeah. Okay, so we would use TypeScript, download something from their API, visualize that front end in JavaScript. You're hosting on Convex, right?
Yes.
I actually have never
I
used.
want to. I want to. I want to migrate from Convex because it gave me some errors when I was like uh, when I was hosting on Vercel. So they have like this custom hosting for Vercel, and for some reason it was kind of failing when I tried to use, because I'm using Convex to store like the prompts for aligning one's skills, so that you can have your own history of like what alignments that you'll get.
Okay, interesting. Yeah, I just did like a couple videos on Vercel. Um, I've been playing around with it quite a lot. So like I just did like these two videos um, about Vercel,
Yeah,
but I really want to try Convex because I think that oops,
yeah.
I really want to try Convex because there's a lot of things about Vercel that are just like a little bit less convenient or tricky. What do you think is the main difference between Convex and Vercel?
Yes. So we can try out. You can see like the error is giving me from, because basically they just have like a custom. You override like the Vercel defaults for build commands. So
Hmm.
for me, it's not working with Convex.
Oh, okay. So the build command that you're using works on Vercel but not on Convex.
Yeah. Nope, it's not working on Vercel when I want to like
Oh, it's
deploy
not working
it.
on,
So that's the main reason why I've been not. Yes,
it's not working on Vercel. It's not working on Convex.
yes.
Okay,
It's
we
you
should
know
figure.
when I want to host the application on Vercel, let me.
Yeah, I have to go in just a few minutes, but I think if you can show me the error that you're getting, we can.
Okay, let me give you.
I can think about
You know
it
they
and.
have even like they have specific documentation for hosting convex on Vercel.
Okay.
So yeah. So let me send this in the chat.
Did you try hosting Convex on the Convex website?
Nope.
Okay.
So how will that go?
I've never used. I've never done this, but so let's see.
I have
So
the
yeah,
front end, right?
this is the docs.
Okay.
Okay, and this is the custom build command. Set up the convex deploy
Yes.
key. Oh,
So
okay, got it.
let's see the deployment. Let me present. Uh,
Sure.
you can see the errors.
Okay,
So
let's have a look.
it's you see. So I'm having some SLint rules.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, so those ones, I think I fixed that yesterday. We can see.
How many? Okay, so you have six
So
errors,
uh, eight. Oh yeah, six, and
six
one
errors. You
warning.
can see all of them.
So there's the JSX key.
Yeah,
Okay,
I've
so
seen that one.
you know this command. This one is the one. This is the main one because this one, this the rest are like um, they are like syntax or or so those ones I was fixing yesterday. So because this command is very custom, so I had to change it. Let's see the settings of this.
Interesting. All right. Um, this is what I think we could do. Let's meet again next week,
Yes.
and next week you could also share the source code for me, and I can also try it on Vercel. And
Yeah.
in the meantime, you can walk me through it. And then in the meantime, I also have one friend that's using Convex, and so
Yeah.
I will ask him. He likes it a lot, so I will ask him how he's managing to
Yeah.
do this.
Yeah.
How does that
So
sound?
it sounds great. So I think by next week, I'll have I'll try to sort out the errors and have it working online.
Okay.
Also, like
If it's not working,
there was
if it's not working, then we can
yes,
debug it together.
yes. Also, like for the visualizations, right now they have like basic visualizations. Like they have this, the keyframe where you just iframe where you can just put a visualization from another website to your website, right? So
Oh,
there's that kind of visualization. So I might try to build on that.
oh, using frames,
Yes, iframe. Yeah.
iframe.
Yes.
Sure. Yeah, we could also, and then we can also sometime do visualization using some other library like charts.js, or but
Yes.
we don't need to. If iframes is easier, then we'll use iframes.
Yes.
Cool, man. Well, thanks thanks a lot for showing this project. I think it's really cool to get people aligned with the things they're passionate about, with the impact they're having in the world. So yeah, I think it's going to be successful.
Yes. Hopefully.
Awesome, man. Well, yeah, thanks for joining, and you can actually use the same link that I sent you to book something on my calendar next week. I've got lots of spots.
Great. So